Sources indicate that the highest rate of teenage pregnancy in the world, 143 per thousand girls aged 15 to 19 years old, is in Africa, with countries like Mali, Angola, and Guinea having the highest rates of teenage pregnancy. Of course, the Philippines is no exception. Teenage pregnancy is an issue that is present all over the world and is affecting a lot of youngsters that are either still in high school or in college. Teenagers are experiencing sexual activities at a very young age without understanding the consequences it can bring due to the lack of sexual education in the Philippines. According to psa.gov.ph, teenage pregnancy in the Philippines was prevalent during the year 2022 with a percentage of 19.1% among women who reached or finished primary education aged 15 to 19 years old. This information also makes it possible that young Filipinos are dropping out of school to work in order to provide for their child. And due to some of them being merely high school students before dropping out, they do not have enough education to find a stable job. This can eventually lead to financial problems, which is one of the roots of family arguments, and can also lead to an unhealthy and toxic home environment that negatively impacts the childhood of their offspring. Financial issues may also lead to other problems like depression, which causes some people to be pressured into doing illegal activities. Crimes like robbery and drug abuse are also common. But of course, lack of sexual education isn't the only thing to blame, as there are a lot of factors to be considered. Some people do not choose to get pregnant at a young age. Cases of sexual abuse and rape are also factors that result to teenage pregnancy. Young women are being taken advantage of and are being sexually harassed by force. According to Inquirer.net in 2021, there were 8,460 cases of rape, and an alarming 70% of the rape cases were committed against children. This proves that sexual harassment is still present, especially towards children, and it must be put to an end. Sexual education is vital as it provides us an in depth understanding of the consequences of teenage pregnancy and how to prevent it. If sex ed were to be implemented, teenagers will be more conscious and mindful with their attitudes toward sexual behaviors. People will have the ability to control themselves if they are informed of the repercussions, and cases of teenage pregnancy will be greatly reduced.